them at the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Dawg again. Because video leak or video get put out with the 911 call, and all me can say is me glad. So me a nerd, because people say, yo, you're a nerd, you're an informer. But the people them only say bad. How them react when time bad things reach them is why me a telling you to just left the badness alone. Cause of the same end result. Same end result. At one point the woman have to tell him, say, stop the screaming. But I wanna left badness alone. Left badness alone. Never talk about it. But before me go into that, two things more I want to touch on. First one, a whole heap of people have sent me the video with the young man who came out talking about the fact that when he was younger, he was violated. People say, oh, yeah, talk about this and talk about this now. There's nothing more for me to add. There's nothing, not even a word to add on top of what him say. He has covered the story himself quite well. You hear it straight from the horse's mouth. You don't need nothing more on top of it. What you need to do is take action. How much I want to contact on the MP, on the councillors, and say them things I need to fix. Just like when we talk about the crimes and the laws and the policies. You know who can make them the change? You. You the people. If you actually put any kind of pressure on your leaders who you elect, change will happen, but I realize no people don't want to change. Just want to hear things and say, boy, John Dawg get rough. And I say, just like the old days. After we make you aware, it's the people take steps in numbers and say, leader guy, this organization, this committee, this need to be done. And that is what we're demanding. We need a mandate. But that now happen. Just want to hear about things. So, I don't have nothing more to add on top of that. That is a bombshell all within itself. That's his own Scud missile. The masses have heard everything they need to hear now. A time for only take action. So that's the thing they know. When we say, yo, this a go on, people need to say, alright, leader guy, councillor guy, MP guy, prime minister guy, opposition guy. What go on, so this need to be fixed. But the last part is not happening enough. People just want to sit down on the internet and listen to the story all day. When are we going to take action? But no one hear that part there. Just want to sit down on the veranda and say, boy, Dawg get rough. Action we are dealing with now. I'm telling you, the seed them get planted. Like a good farmer, seed plant. Watering go on, fertilizer, germination that take place. Fruits we are dealing with now. Action time. When you see when the MP them and leaders them, I want to say, yo, this a go on, see that store there, see that case there, what go on with that? We need this to fix. We not take picture. We not take picture of the politician, we not take picture with the leader guy and all kind of things. We don't know demand action. You've had years of talking and pointing out issues and showing that. Action we are dealing with now. We are demand change, we are demand policies, we are demand results from leaders, and who have the power to vote and decide who get what and who go in what position. So use it. Sit down on the internet all day and not fix nothing. Trust me. Next up, before we talk about Dawg. Tomorrow I'm going to drop a video. A Heroes Day video. That video is going to be called The 5 Most Unsung Heroes in Miramar. It will be a quite unusual type of video. I mean, there's one more, but may I give you my 5 unsung heroes in Miramar. You know what an unsung hero is? If you don't tune in tomorrow, we'll define it for you. If I go drop Sunday and you can digest it by Monday. Because sometimes people watch the video Sunday and then watch it back Monday and fully digest. Like food. Look at talk about Dawg. One of your favorite comedian, one of your favorite vlogger, one of your favorite entertainers. The 911 call from Real Dawg himself after the shooting get released. That's one of the good things Uncle Sam placed in them about the 911 call. Based on how Real Dawg sound, well, make it hear it for yourself. Check this out.
One of the victims who was shot at and his friend. Take a listen.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
One of the victims in an early Monday morning shooting in Miramar calling 911.
Miramar Parkway.
Police flooded by 911 calls from neighbors about a hail of gunfire in the area of Miramar Parkway and Southwest 62nd Avenue.
Okay, tell me what happened.
Shooting, I don't know. Come here, now.
Sir, stop screaming. I already have the call entered. Were you shot?
Yeah, Adam, my friend died.
Your friend was shot?
Yeah.
But when police showed up there, they found no one. Detectives ended up finding one man dead.
Better on those left the badness alone. Cause people tell me all the time, say me a informer, me a nerd. But the people them only tell me say so bad and so rough and so tough. When certain things reach them, kinda surprised. Cause me think a nerd alone go on so. The quote unquote Badman them, killy them. Go on worship. Or you hear Real Dawg sound, I saw them sound in real life. When time gunshots start burn for them skin. When time their ears start ring. One of the spookiest things you'll ever hear in your life is a quote unquote Badman a ball. If you ever hear a Badman ball, when gunshot tear up him skin and him realize say him not gonna make it. Some things where some of the most notorious 87s them say, if me tell you who say it, you that's a lie me I tell. You da tell me say them man they can't dead so. You da tell me say them man they can't make them kind of sound when time them are dead. You da tell me say the killy can't ball for him mother when I take him last breath. You da tell me say this him and I style him. No for the most notorious 87 them only can think about. That's why I take all of this for a joke. When they say you're an informer, you're a nerd, I take all of this for a joke. Cause I know this is going in real life, so there's no way me can dip on the internet in the body back and forth to try to prove no point. Try to show how tough I am. Me, just a little YouTuber, a nerd and an informer. Me no want be no bad man. Cause me hear a bad man sound when shot burn them skin. Me hear a bad man sound when tell them a ball for them mother. When tell them I take them last breath and them a gas for ear. Me no hear no wicked talk. The whole heap of hey boy, you know me and me come from round say hey boy, I'm to your top end match ball. And that me hear. That sound when time man start choking at their own blood. And it gargle up in them mouth and they're looking at them eye. All toughness gone through the window. The way a Real Dawg a go on, all women have to tell him say, sir, stop nice na me is.
Come here, now.
Sir, stop screaming. I already have the call entered. Were you shot?
Listen, Real Dawg is a comedian, you know. So when he touch back the road again and him good again, he have to go make some kind of joke out of this because that's how him do. He have to go make a joke out of this. He have to go just make a joke about him situation. Even though him charge dead and we know it's a real life that, but Real Dawg make jokes about everyday situations and people's everyday issues, so he must go just make some about himself. That's the thing there. He must go come make some joke about the fact that the woman have to tell him say, sir, that be screaming at me ears. He must say Real Dawg no itch for chop badness in the That's not what I heard, guy. That was real time. That was in the moment, cause see what happened is enough man ball and scream and go on the most wearing time shot. Fire and then when time they reach you man, get time to calm down and come tell you about the story. A different story them tell, so then come back come tell you say, yo, Every time I step out there, I see one boy go so I'm just easy on the corner and go so about master, so I'm go say, "Grrr!" And then the boy goes and fire back 2 dog, and I say, oh, the boy get lucky and me get catch the 1 dog. You see me, I say, but anyway, I hold him, dog. Yo, the whole time, I'm not even afraid, dog. Come I say, yo, afraid 4, I want to, dog. Afraid that me, I say, yo, the man then fire about 100 shot off of me, dog, and I'll know me not afraid, dog. Come just fire back, be a shot, bro. So me, I say, yo, John, yo, I shoot me run out a shot, dog. Anyhow, me never run out a shot, them boy, they dead. Anyhow, me never run out a shot, dog, the one of them dead, dog. Yeah, dog, yo, wait till look more. That's how them sound. But in real life, man I call police a ball. Till all police I tell them, say, sir, you can't talk ball now, you can't talk be screaming at me ears, you go deaf me. World dog, listen to me. Me know enough people laugh off of you, me not laugh. But I'm just telling you, you can't chuck no more badness after this, bro. You should not chuck no badness in the first place, cause you're a talented comedian and you should stick to that. But since you want me Badman on the side, let go that part there. And stick to your comedy. Stick to the comedy. Me know say gunshot fired up close is a terrifying thing. Don't ask me how I know that. I'm a little YouTuber. Me tell you years ago, so there is nothing scarier than the sound of an AK-47 on automatic. Me tell you that years ago. Enough man love go like them a Terminator. But me can't tell you no. Gunshot firing on automatics in a very human chill on your spine, no care how tough you want. So me understand why Road Dog are going so. But through how him usually go on before that, and that's why now people are saying, oh, I can't the dog sounds. And the next thing, me not understand enough quote unquote Badman as things reaching them then call in the come. In gonna write statement down a unicorn for justice. Me not understand, those things are for civilians. Those things are for nerds, remember? That them saying you're a nerd. But that is what me encourage people to do. But when time me say, yo, report this and them say, yo, I inform a thing that, nerd thing that, and then them go do it now. This has been one of my biggest mysteries, you know, when Mr. Badman, who sit down every day tell us, who you deal with police, and if you deal with police and informer, when you get in a trouble, you might call police, you might call the ambulance, you might call St. John's ambulance, you might call Cub Scout, you might call Girls Guide, you might call the 4-H Club. Him report it all 10 different places now. When Badman get injured, the same Badman will kill 10 people now. If you step on him toe, him a report it at 10 different places. Him go down a Girls Guide, then him go Cub Scout, then him go Cadet, then him go City and Guilds, then him go Kiwanis, then him go Indicom, then him go Unicorns for Justice. By the time him done, people tired of him. I don't know, man, these tough guys, hilarious. I don't know, man, these tough guys moving spooky. It don't make sense laughing at the people and telling them say them a nerd, and then lame and them a square, and then when time trouble reach you do a square do. But I man left the badness alone, yeah, man. Left the badness and come join the square life, come join the nerd life. Because I see him end result. Nerd like me, man fire shut off on me, what you think I got him? Phone call I make, straight in the station, me gone. Then after that, me I call the public ambulance, then me I call the private ambulance, me I call all kind of ambulance. And a lone balling, me I shout till all my throat hoarse. But, me I don't know kill it. Might as well kill it than us live the square life. Live the nerd life, bro, cause the same end result. Imagine being a quote unquote bad man. Imagine Kerry go tell us that she don't want you because you lame. She wants somebody who hardcore. And a real thugs like World Dog. And then next thing I hear a video come out.
Come here now!
Sir, stop screaming. I already have the call entered. Were you shot?
Respond after I tell man say, sir, stop the screaming in my ears. Sir, stop the screaming. Better the man them live the square life. Badman get shot up and gun a ball for your mother. Yo, somebody can't yo, say go call mother dog. Killy, you. Everybody afraid of you. Dep on ground a ball for your mother. I saw gunman go out. I saw gunman go out. So how you feel make fun of a man for being lame and square and soft, and then gunshot graze your pinky finger, gunshot graze one strand of ear in your body, and woman and fear tell you say go easy with the knives. I said them at the first time I tell you say oh my ball like y'all. So I say you know your ball like your woman, but in this instance is a woman. I tell the man say if you stop scream. And as a side note, the whole ball like woman or quote unquote ball like girl, you know Jamaican talk. I hope you know so when it comes down to pain, man ball more than woman. So the whole idea so when a man in a pain, him a quote unquote ball like girl, it's not accurate. It should be the other way around. It should be a ball like man because in my opinion, man can deal with pain like woman. Woman might make noise, yes, but woman can take pain far greater than man because Mr. Woman go through some pain and lift it up back on them 2 foot. I don't know how them do it. You ever see a man when he catch one little flu yet? Don't make the noise fool you. Woman can take pain differently. But imagine, first responder if you tell the world dog say yo go easy with the knives. You don't have to scream. World dog, let your badness alone you. No matter tell you some bad mind but read this. If I people them around you, world dog, just like enough artists, may know so them only run if you wasn't world dog. If you weren't world dog, the popular social media personality and entertainer, enough of them wouldn't run you. But you like only start get delusional and start thinking, yeah, these people are my friends, they love me. Don't get lost in the sauce, world dog. And let me say this to you, world dog. Probably I don't somewhere recover from your wounds. You know, 5 people must say are them friend. Right now them vexed because them just miss out on a big funeral. A son of Irish Saxon still. When they hear say them friend get them quote unquote friend get shot and then survive, them upset. Because that mean the funeral can't keep. That means to them now no one day if you attend. They know say Jamaican celebrate every day now. You have the 1 day, the 2 day, the 3 day. One day them get balloon and let off in the sky, next minute light candle. Next thing they get one reindeer chop off the horn, right, paint it in a blue. Every day they just come up with something new. Every day there's something new. And they were looking forward to World Dog 9 night and set up a funeral because they know set it up big. I mean in charge he dead but in charge he not as popular as World Dog. So now for the quote unquote friend them upset right now because then he start brush off them clocks. Must say hey, and the clocks say me go World Dog funeral and the clocks say a mad dog. Then get the call. Yo, you might go live you know. Jaja. I forgot put on back the clocks. I'll wait till somebody else dead. Them start treat 9 night and set up like cactus and quad. Irish Saxon street 9 night and set up. And funeral. Like say cactus. And cactus did mad. Well, that's funeral for Irish Saxons now, cactus. They love it. World Dog put on the badness alone. The acidity. Not carrying away, but an early grave. But don't take my word for it still, cause remember them are going to tell yourself, Badman, yeah, so. Do what you want to do. Fun life. Right. I'm telling you about these Irish Saxons already. Wherever there is more than 4, somebody going dead for sure. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.